Hello friends, today we learn regarding the hazards in OT, that is operation theatre. Now introduction. Historically the operating room has been a place full of hazards for both of the patient and the caregiver. The primary dangers includes not only limited to fire, chemical exposure to anesthetic agents and direct exposure to biologic materials. Hazards. First one is the environmental hazards. The peri-operative environment poses many hazards for both patients and personnel. The potential for physical injury from electrical shock, burns, fire, explosion, exposure to blood-borne pathogens, and inhalation of a toxic substance is ever present. Therefore, it is important that staff have knowledge of the hazards involved in the equipment use, the causes of accidental injury, and the source of the health risk. Now, injuries can be caused by using faulty equipment, using equipment improperly, exposing oneself or others to toxic or irritating agents, or coming into contact with harmful agents. Now, classification of hazards. Hazards in the OT environment can be classified as follows. Physical hazards includes back injury, fall, noise pollution, irradiation, electricity and fire, and chemical hazards includes anesthetic gases, toxic fumes from gases and liquids, cytotoxic drugs and clinic agents. Then biologic hazards including the patient as a host for or source of pathogenic microorganisms, infectious waste, cuts or needle stick injuries, surgical plum and latex sensitivity. Now regulation of hazards includes grounding. The grounding of all electrical equipment is essential for safety and the prevention of a stray current leakage. Grounding systems are designed to discharge any harmful electricity directly to the ground without including the patient in the circuit. This prevents the inadvertent passage of electric current through the patient, thereby preventing shock or burns to the patient. Now, fire and explosion. Fire should be a matter of a prime concern in the operation theatre. Fires in an oxygen-enriched atmosphere are fundamentally different in character than those occurring in a normal atmosphere. The fire severity potential should be regarded as a serious with the potential for extensive damage to lives of patients and caregivers. The presence of inflammable and combustible liquids, vapors and gases in an oxygen-enriched atmosphere can result in the ultra-rapid combustion of surrounding materials with explosive violence. फायर और एक्सप्लोजन में क्या होता है कि ओटी में एसी ऑन होता है, दैट इज़ ऑक्सीजन एनरिच्ड एटमॉस्फेयर होता है, इसकी वजह से फायर ज़्यादा लगने के चांसेस बढ़ जाते हैं. Now, a fire or explosion is the result of a combination of three factors. These are a flammable gas, vapors or liquids, for example alcohol, ether. Then a source of ignition, for example electrosurgery, static electricity. Then oxygen, that is pure or in air, or some other substance that provides oxygen such as the nitrous oxide gas. Thank you friends. आज हमने देखा हज़ार्ड्स इन ऑपरेशन थिएटर के बारे में. अगर आपको मेरा ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें.